reviewing the world down under.
Hey, g'day everyone. Welcome to or back to my channel. Hope life has been kind to you all. So today's just a quick one as I picked up a desk stand I found for my phone made by UGREEN. As you know, I'm quite a big fan of their products, so I'm going to share a quick unboxing video with you and give you my first impressions. The first thing you have to ask yourself, that I ask myself, is you got to be tired of fumbling around with naff phone stands. I know I am. I've had a few of them in the past, and but since I've become quite a big fan of UGREEN and their products, this one's on Amazon at the moment on a very good deal with Amazon Prime Day, so I thought I'd have a look at it and give it a go. I'm not particularly fussed when I'm at the computer with charging my phone, especially wirelessly, but I do like the phone to be in an upright position so I can at least see the screen while I'm, doing things. So I think, personally, based on what I've seen on their website, you're going to get the perfect view with this one. Total adjustability. It's got a 360-degree rotating base, and it's got dual 180-degree flexible pivots, so it'll let you set at any angle. It's also got a telescopic rod that will let you customize the height up to 15 centimeters. It's built to be stable and sturdy with a large metal base and aluminium alloy arm secured, holding phones. This will hold up to 7.2 inches. It's apparently supposed to be ready to use right out of the box, fully foldable for easy travel. Again, anyone who's followed me and my channel, I work FIFO in Australia, so I travel to mine sites, so I'm always looking to save weight, especially as I do have to fly to site. So this one supports both portrait and landscape viewing, including the cool new iOS standby feature, which I personally love. It's universally compatible, so while it works directly with the iPhone 12 through to the 16 series and MagSafe cases, it also includes a magnetic ring in the box, so you can use it with any non-MagSafe phone or case, especially older phones from Samsung Galaxies, Google Pixel models, right up to the older iPhones. So the basic premise is this is a versatile, wobble-free stand for your desk and travel bag. If you like it, there will be a link in the description to check out, as Amazon have offers quite frequently, more so now with Prime Day on. So let's have a little look. Typical UGREEN fashion, well packaged, well secured. There's a lot of cardboard in there, so nothing's going to get broken easily. Alright, so there is your MagSafe ring. Like I say, if you've got an older generational phone or nothing with MagSafe on it, you can literally just stick this to the back of your phone and it will provide you the MagSafe technology that you need without having to invest in anything new or up to date. I know a lot of people like to keep their older phones. They don't buy into upgrading on a regular basis. These little rings give you that flexibility. So anyway, there's your phone stand. Yeah, okay, so there it is. Yeah, so as you can see, everything is screwed on at the bottom. So it's aluminium to aluminium, which is nice. Very sturdy base. Again, as you can see, it's solid aluminium plate. Anti-stick pads on there. So it does rotate a full 360. And then you've got your extension arm, which will take it up. So there you go. You do have the flexibility of your height and full adjustment all the way around. So like I say, I'm not particularly fussed on charging my phone when I'm at the desk. I charge it overnight and it pretty much lasts me all day. But I would like to be able to stand it on a base. So there you go. Gives me the flexibility just to stand it in the corner. And you can rotate it the full 360. So it still gives you your viewing. Again, you don't even have to use it as a desk stand if you don't want to. If you just want it to use for watching media or anything like that, this is going to give you the flexibility to use it anywhere you choose. Watch your movies, full tilt, full rotate, or just use it as a phone. So there you go. And those magnets are pretty strong. It's a nice rubber surface on there, so if you don't happen to use phone cases with your phone, you can pretty much guarantee that is not going to scratch the back of your phone. That's a nice layer of rubber on there. So yeah, completely foldable. Nice and flat. Easily take it with you if you need to. And there it is. So yeah, nice quick simple video. Again, this is another product feature. UGREEN, I can't fault UGREEN. I use everything UGREEN at the moment. But I do like their products. They're simple. They're quite cost effective. They do what they say on the tin. I've never had an item break on me. So yeah, I quite like the product. So thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you like it, please hit the like button, as it really helps make the channel grow, and it will encourage me to make more videos for you to enjoy. This video is not sponsored. Products are always paid for unless I say otherwise. So to finish off, keep safe, stay positive, and don't let life bring you down. Have a good one.
Reviewing the world down under.